Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the Red Mr. Exams Professor. So today now we are going to discuss about Java programming. So I'm going to discuss about the introduction to Java and object-oriented programming language. At the end of the session, we are going to know about what programming actually is, why Java was created, why Java is still one of the world's most popular programming language, what object-oriented programming mean, the 4 basic principles of OOP, why Java is platform independent, what are the JDK, JRE and JVM, how Java program executes inside a computer. So this comes under Unit 1, Introduction to Java Object-Oriented Programming. So let us dive into the topic. Java programming. So this is Unit 1. This is very important for JNTUK and also other universities. So our main aim is very simple. I don't want you to simply memorize Java. I want you to understand Java, because once you understand the concept, you can answer theory questions, write programs and score good marks in your semester examination. Many students think that Java language is very difficult. Actually, Java is not that difficult as you think. The problem is we are used to start writing programs directly. But we B.Tech students should know why Java exists, why companies use Java, what problem Java solves. So today we'll answer all these questions. So sit comfortably, sit neatly, just keep a notebook beside you and let's start our Java journey. Just write with me or just listen to this. It is better to write. So as we discussed, Java programming, introduction to Java. So now programming. Java, OOP, JDK, JRE and JVM. Programming Java, OOP, JDK, JRE and JVM. So these are today's topics. So before starting Java, I want to ask you one question. How many students of you have used WhatsApp, Instagram, Amazon, PhonePe, Google Pay? Maybe almost everyone used to live with that applications. So just think, who created those applications? Did they write everything using some of the binary numbers like 10110 or something? No, they have used programming languages. Today we are going to learn one such of powerful language, nothing but Java. So programming. So before learning Java, we first need to understand programming. Programming simply means giving instruction to a computer to perform a particular task. So it's simply, we can say that, giving instructions to a computer to perform a specific task. That's it. Programming is nothing but communicating with the computer. So for example, let's talk about a real life example. Suppose your mother asks you, please bring like 1 glass of water. What happens? You understand the instructions, like you have to bring water, like you have to hold the glass in your hand, you have to fill it with the water and you have to give it to your mother, correct? Similarly, when we write a program, we give instructions to a computer. The computer follows those instructions exactly as it is. Now, can a computer think? No. Can a computer make decisions on its own? No, a computer only follows instructions. If the instructions are correct, the result is correct. If the instructions are wrong, then the output also wrong. So programming means giving correct instructions to a computer. So the definition of the programming is giving instructions to a computer to perform a specific tasks. This is very important definition. This is very important definitions in the semester exams area. So now let us see what a program means. So let's see what a program means. A program is nothing but a collection of instructions written to perform a specific task. So let us say with me again, a program is nothing but a collection of what is instructions written to perform a specific tasks. Is called a program. So for example, if we say a real life example, like if you take a calculator, when you press 2 plus 3, the calculator knows what to do. Why? Because someone wrote a program. So also when you see like ATM cards, when you insert your ATM card, the machine displays enter the pin. Who tells the ATM to display this? A program tells. Vice versa, mobile phones, when someone calls, your phone rings. Why? Because a program is running inside the phone. So as B.Tech students, we are doing the professional courses. So let me say a professional examples. When you order food from Swiggy or Zomato, many programs work together. One program checks restaurants, another calculates distance, another calculates delivery charges, another program processes payments. Like programming is everywhere. So can you name another applications that uses programming? Do search and search for it. So now let's come into the main topic. What is Java? So okay, I'll write the examples here. As we discussed, ATM cards. Okay, yeah, calculator example. Yeah, calculator also. Calculator, the performs the functions of it. Okay, this one is very good, completed. So let us discuss and let us see about what is Java. What is Java? So Java is a high-level object-oriented. Java is a high-level object-oriented, platform-independent, programming language. Platform-independent programming language. So don't worry, this looks like a big definition. By the end of today's lecture, every single word will become going to be crystal clear. So high-level language. So high-level language. Computers understand only binary codes like 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 etc. This is called machine language. This is called machine language. A computer only understands this. Humans cannot understand easily this language. So like okay, if you can humans can understand like some couple of lines, but imagine 10 lakh lines using only zeros and ones. That's impossible. That's why high-level languages were invented. Languages like Java, Python, C, C++ allows humans to write instructions in English-like syntax. For example, instead of writing like 10110110011, we can simply write in Java language. In Java programming language. Java programming language, we used to write system.out.println hello or hello world, your wish. This is very important. This is much easier. So we can say that human to Java to machine language to computer. So if you read this and if you see this, you will be crystal clear. So for example, Infosys had a project containing 30 lakh lines of codes. Would developers write 1010 and so on? No, they use Java because it is readable, easy to maintain, and easy to understand. So we can easily say that instead of this is very easy to write. So that's why Java is called high level language. So one of the important topics, like object oriented programming. So look around your room. Like, what can you see? A laptop, mobile, chair, bottle, table, fan, television, etc. Books. Everything around us is an object. Every object has a property and a behavior. So like objects, nothing but like mobile, mobile, brand, RAM, price, color, behavior, call, camera, charging, gaming. So similarly, Java treats everything as objects. Objects have data and functions. Later, when we study classes and objects, these concepts become very easy. For example, let's take as an example Amazon. Every product like laptop, shoes, mobiles, televisions is treated as an object. Each product has price, brand, like rating, discounts, and functions. So we can buy, like add to cart, go into wish list, we can share it exactly. This what Java follows. So do not worry if it seems like new to you. Today our aim is only to understand the basic idea. We will study objects in detail in Unit 2. So this is about the introduction of Java programming language. So we'll continue the rest in the Unit 2. So we'll continue the rest in the video 2 of Unit 1. So thank you for listening this. So please like, share and subscribe if you like.